Hello everyone, in this video I Kamira Stogi going to tell you something about market demand with the help of PowerPoint presentation. In this presentation I will tell you the meaning of market demand schedule, market demand curve and market demand function. Let us start with our topic. Market demand. Market demand is total quantity of a commodity which all the individual household in a market are willing to buy at different prices in given period of time. Now what is market demand schedule? Market demand schedule is a tabulation of the quantity of a good that all consumers in a market will purchase at a given price. As you can see in the given table, the quantity demanded by the individuals and then the quantity demanded by all the consumers. Now come to on market demand curve. Market demand curve is the graphical representation of price and quantity demanded by all the consumers in the market. Here the picture of market demand curve is given. Now let us discuss about market demand function. Market demand function is a functional relationship between the market demand for a commodity and its various determinants. The formula of the relationship between the market demand and its various determinants is given below, where dx equals to demand of good, px equals to price of a given good, pr presents price of related goods. Y equals to income of the consumer. T equals to consumer taste and preferences. E equals to expectations of consumers. YD equals to income distribution and N equals to number of consumers or the population size. Now we will discuss how these determinants affect the quantity demanded. Let's start with population. More population, more demand. Less population, less demand. Second, income distribution. If gap between rich and poor increases, then demand decreases. If gap between rich and poor decreases, then demand increases. Now third, expectation regarding future prices. Price will increase in future, then demand will increase in present. If the price will decrease in future, then the demand will decrease in present. Fourth, taste and preferences. First, likes and dislikes. Likes have more demand and dislikes have less demand. Second, we will come on fashion and trend. More demand of trending products. Now then climate, more demand of woolen clothes in winters and less demands of woolen clothes in summers. Now fifth, own price of the good. If the price of a commodity falls, the demand of it will increase or vice versa. That is, the price of a commodity rise, then the demand of it will fall. Now sixth is income of consumer. Now first, how normal goods affect the demand. More demand when more income and less demand when less income. Now second, inferior goods. More demand when income is less and less demand when income is more. Inferior goods have inverse income effect on them, as inferior goods are low quality goods. Now sixth, how price of related goods affect the quantity demanded. Now first, substitute goods. Goods which can be used in replacing each other. For example, Pepsi or Coke. In case of substitute goods, there is a positive cross price effect. Now, what is cross price effect? Cross price effect where the price of one good puts the impact on the demand for the other. Now, in case of substitute goods, price of one commodity and the demand for the other moves in the same direction. Now we will come on complementary goods. Goods which are used together. For example, car and petrol, pen and ink. In case of complementary goods, there is a negative cross price effect. That is, price of one commodity and the demand for the other moves in opposite direction. That's all about market demand. Thank you.